I received word today for more results of this beautiful message. We have a pastor in his congregation who's been watching in several locations. Want to be a part of the truth of God. Congregation and the preacher want to come in and decide to come in. We'll be interviewing all of them. One out of Israel, one out of Cambodia, one out of Malaysia, and several out the Philippine Islands. Are you getting it? These are pastors with congregations that have been watching the message of holiness. Out of Israel, Cambodia, Malaysia. And God willing, in the year of 2022, not only will we be making a tour through Europe, Germany and London and Netherlands, there in Amsterdam, and also Italy, but we're scheduled to make a tour through the South Pacific near Japan. The Cook Islands, Fiji Islands, Samoan Islands, Solomon Islands, Vietnam. Then we have a tour coming through where we want to stop through Malaysia, Cambodia, and stop in Israel. We have a good crowd been bombarding us out of Damascus, also out of Greece.